Guys, oh, Iron Man para ugma. So everybody's practicing na guys, conditioning for tomorrow's big event here in Ottawa, the Iron Man. Soon sa Davao na po, kita lang ta sa Davao po, dari di ko katanaw. So turang Parliament Hill guys, there's an patio, bars, and washroom. Parliament Hill washroom. So nagapon mi sa Kiwiki Point guys, no, and here's the Parliament Hill at the back. Let me take sa side. So, na Ironman race may tabo bukas. So, dari ang ilang bicycle rack. So, diyan nila ibutang. So, tura sila ate. Lakaw-lakaw. Then, there's the Parliament Hill. Dito kayo guys, no? So, yun nga. So, may sa Ironman race. Daghan kay mga cyclists and runners. Dari. Akong side is ang Parliament Hill. So, sa baba guys, so daghan kay napay park dito sa baba guys. There's a park down there. Pwede makapangisda, maka-fishing. But here's the Parliament. Gusto bulak. Si ate na. Nga na. Pink. Nindot kayo na bulak guys. Naday tanong si ate ani. Puro siya gumamela guys. Ano? Museo, Byte Town Museum. Narang lock kayo dito guys, oh. Diri mo saka ang boat. Ito mga boat dito guys. Musaka na siya. Masaka na siya dito sa Masaka siya pinagi sa lock. Padong dito sa Toronto River. So, ano guys. Si John Bay. Oh. Lieutenant Colonel, Royal Engineers, Lieutenant Colonel John Bay. Bye. Grabe guys, ni-offer jud sila ba? Ni-offer jud siya, do you want a photo? Ingana ako dili lang. Very friendly kasi sila guys. Friendly guys, yung Canadian. So, picture lang ko atong statue ni John Bay. Do you want a photo? Yan ako, thank you, no, thank you. Okay, Robatin, offer tong babae ba? Do you want a photo? Iko, no, thank you. Yan lang ko. Ako rin nag-picture sa akong sarili. Lagi? Yan na lagi ko, no, thank you.
So,
Yeah.
this is a very expensive hotel.
Oh, this one, it's a hotel?
Yes.
Katong
So
ganina.
it's like the Royal York Hotel, the Fairmount.
The Fairmount, yeah.
It's all part of those guys. Very very high end.
So there are other hotels
Yes, like this.
outside Canada.
Yes. One of them is on Lake Louise.
Lake Louise. Turang kanal, oh. Warag kita ko ato na picture na, dere. Dere. Tara mga locks, guys. The locks. The locks. There's a lot of weeds.
Yeah, it's coming from the canal.
Yeah. Wow, kanina hotel guys, oh. Wow. Una ako diri sa kanal. Mukha yung kapil. So, akong background guys is ang katong hotel na ingon ni Carlos na mahal ka. So, that's it. Di ko ka-picture. Video na lang.
It's so pretty.
Smile sa atis ako. Kung smile na lang po. Ha? Yeah. So, muna siya na hotel guys. Very mahal. So, daghan do kay boat. Yeah, there is. Can guys, waiting.
Those guys are going that way. The other guys are coming this way.
Wala siya nakakabag. Ismail na sa ko guys. Naka-Ironman nakabag. Si ate. Locks na guys. Another lock. Padung dito guys is Lake Ontario. Dere sa likod is Lake Rideau. So taas ka ni guys ba? Pila ka locks gini oh. So nag-abot ng mga boats. So nabiyaan ako guys. So nakaw na ako kaya nabiyaan ako.
Ilan man talaga.
Sorry. There they are. Mapuhaan natin ay. Yeah, wapo kayo. Tulo ka makina natin. 3 engines. And I think it's new.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Ang kwarto ano yun nasa kano.
Oh.
Ang kwarto na na ay
Wow.
panay pa.
Puha na ano.
Pabli na niya na.
Puha na ay.
It's a beautiful house.
Yeah. Indeed. So, open guys. So, dito yung tuyok na. And all these boats are going to Ottawa River. It's now open. It's now open guys. Very nice. The huge compartments. Yeah, huge compartments. So, open it guys. So, it's gonna first. It's gonna go first. It's the middle.
Tied together too, look. Yeah. Turn the radio.
Yeah. It's the middle. What's next? I think it's Doral. It's the next. Doral. Yung,
beach. Yes, the water is very salty. So it's, and I mean, and you'll be competing with these guys. The best way for canoeing actually is paddleboard, and it's a beach way.
Se tu bater nele, você está suando.
Maybe less. I've done it. Well, you liked my Instagram story that time. I saw it paddleboard.
next is Aperu.
This week? Yeah. The last time I did it was like last week.
Who's next?
Oh, you liked one of my stories. But anyway, it was one of those. And you just take your paddleboard.
I think it's the black.
It's enclosed and there's no food traffic, so it's not important. I've seen much bigger ones than that, but this one is very... See you later!
Lakaw na ko guys.
C'est ma faute, hein? So that
Woo.
boat,
Yeah,
the black one she likes,
yeah,
250,000.
yeah. Very
So
expensive.
that's times 40, right, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Times
No, it's
40.
already Canadian.
No, Filipino.
Yeah, in
Oh.
Philippines, yeah. How much?
Here, you log in, huh?
Ooh, this is sexy. It's cross first.
You're now from guys. Wow.
This is how they dress in Parliament.
And
the lawyers dress like
Yeah.
that too.
they don't have wig, no?
No, oh,
Like
some
the
do.
British.
Some do.
Some. Ah, okay.
This is where we skated.
Ah, okay. This is. Hi guys. Oning Rideau Canal guys. This is where they skate kung mag-winter. Sa mga English naman ko eh. Kung mag-winter daw ni guys. Pag mag-winter na gani ni guys. Diri mag-skate ang mga tao guys. This is the longest canal Canada. This is the longest winter skating rink. Libre. Libre sa mga tao. Wow. Very nice one. Very nice.
Okay, there it is.
Ah?
See that boat there? The black one?
Yeah.
With the 3 motors?
Yeah.
10 million pesos.
Wow. That's
10 million.
10 million. No way. I won't buy that boat. Philippine money, ha? 10 million. That's the dollars. Sabi guys, I will not buy that boat. It's 2 million. 10 million Philippine money. That black boat na nagustuhan ni ate. Anyway, kung gusto ni ate, wala si kwarta. Guys, oh. Grabe mga building dari guys. It's the canal. Ako lang ipaning ha. So that's the Parliament building. Court. Tiludi, Kaloy, and this building and the redo. Yeah mo. Dako, you guys have to task kayo. And here's the, I don't know unsa ni siya. Okay. Women are persons. So women's, I think this is women's rights activists. So I think they are the women's rights activists. This is a women's rights activist dito sa Canada, guys. Kani mga nadiri sa kuwan. Hey, grandma. Let's drink to that, my grandma. Yeah. Hey, grandma. Grandma.
Sabuat din. Aha.
So, women's activist. Okay, this is the women's
Ako sulit tayo niya.
yeah. This is the middle.
The flags of Canada. There's one.
The flags of Canada.
Provinces, yeah.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, so this one.
Yeah.
The coat of arms.
Coat of arms. This is Ontario, guys.
So
This
I was-
one.
No, I was
Quebec.
right about this one. Eh?
Yeah?
Quebec. So the Quebec's got the maple leafs and it's got the three things. See it?
Mm,
For
yeah.
the leaf. So that is the Quebec blue.
French.
Nova Scotia is like an X.
Yeah. So different flags.
There's Manitoba right here.
Mm.
Oh, there is a guard there. You're right, eh?
Dili o wako.
Flags of Canada.
They're redoing the front here.
Ah, kuha dito eh. Wapo sa dito. Tabok na po mi guys. Yeah, tabok na po.
Oh, that's what he is, huh? That's our military police. Hey,
Hey,
Uncle,
Carlos.
that's
what?
military police, and they're over there. See them?
Yeah. This is what after the changing of the guards they went here. Oh, teka, sulaan ni sa tate. Service to Canada. Wala man. Wow. Service to Canada. 1940. So, namin dito ganina guys, no? Nagpa-picture mi din na ganina. Tanaw lang sa class ako, military. Yalaw lang ko nila kay naka-marines man ko. So, wala sila lagi. Matanaw lang po sila sa ko. Samantate. Nice. Middle sa street guys, oh. Wow. Nakamarines na po.
Watch daw. Oh.
Yeah.
Amphibian pa. What is the water?
Wow. It's an amphibian bus guys. Bumukuhan sa water to. Ang kay tourist eh.
Naghankan.
Napa dito tayo sa Kabatcho.
Kapital mangguna.
Naka-orange tanan.
They got rid of that in Toronto because it sank
Oh, that's not good.
with people in it.
Yeah. That's not good. Dagan.
Supposed to press the button here. You ready?
Yeah, kay tourist dito guys, oh, nanabok. Naka-orange tanan. Kami po. So, nanabok po din guys. Itanaw lang ang military police te. Pag picture. Ay, ikaw. Lagi, ikaw man din nag-picture sa buhay eh.
Wala mas.
Da, saba lagi siya, da. Katong babae nagyaw-yaw. Suro ito guys. Suro yung turistang Marines. Suro yung turistang Marines guys. Dito sa Ottawa.
Yeah. They're competing.
So manabok mi diri sa Rue Albert guys. It's a Rue Albert Street. So dako lapad kay lang highway guys oh. Very lapad. So awang bus guys. Taas kayo no. So dako kayo lang ano guys. Mga buildings na yung mga new buildings na po old buildings guys. It's Lord Elgin House. This is Park La Confederation Park. Dito guys na ang simbahan sa First Baptist Church. It's a Baptist church. Uy.
Look, there's a nice one.
Oh,
A buffalo, a wolf.
wow, nice.
A bear?
Yeah. A native sculpture guys. The Aboriginal War Veterans. Okay. Aboriginal War Veterans. Sa Lord Elgin Hotel. Wow. Ayan nila building ay Lord Elgin. Tapos John Lemon guys. Chuy kayo. Chuy. Land registration. Ito mapagod. Rue Elgin Baptist Church. Ano naman te?
Oh.
Alam sa tabok guys. Ottawa Tourism, New Zealand High Commission, Shopify, Land Registration Office.
Ambot o ikaw o siya o parihan mo.
Ano sa man te?
Magpiil. Sensitive pungan o kuandaan.
Chuyaks.
Service charge.
Chuyaks. Yo. Jacket. Kaning LCBO day guys is it's a government owned mga liquor Sila ang namaligyan dito. The new LD na old church, probably. It's an old church.
It's a church. It's a heritage building.
Heritage building.
Magpatakas na po kila kay Gora ba na?
Lagi.
Because it's dangerous.
They're renovating this church
Oh,
too.
look, nice. Oh,
Saan sa te?
old church.
Right? Gotta be United or Anglican. Or Presbyterian.
Presbyterian.
Tinay mo agi.
That's old.
Oh, let him go. Carlo.
Oh, good.
Presbyterian Church.
Yeah, old good siya. Oh.
Tagkang hindi simbahan na rin, no?
Well,
Okay.
this is the restaurant Presbyterian.
Yeah. Like one. Yeah. Yeah.
Ano pang buko sa
That cat doesn't look like it's starving.
No. Cat is knocks the egg.
Dito panorama.
If you look at this church, it almost looks like the same as the other one. The one on the left side.
Si ate. Nandito sa McDonald's, guys. Order.
What do you guys want?
Come to order. Please, Mac.
Guys, no? Napansin ko sa ilang McDonald's. Kanina naman sa ato, got two. Mga pagkaon nila, di McFlurries, mga burgers na. Ang wala diri katong muffins. Itong muffins dito, guys. Wala na siya ng mga sweets, mga biscuits, cookies. Wala. O kani, wala. Wala din na siya, guys. So, the rest na. Review.
Buslut na gamit yung atok.
Ayo.
Someone moved like I was taking that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lamig kain, guys.
Diri.
Bisgar Street. Farm boy.
Supermarket.
Yeah. Farm boy.
They kept the old building, which is a medical arts building,
Yeah.
and then behind it is the condo. The condo?
Yeah.
Behind it? No, right here, this one. Yeah. They kept the original building.
Medical arts. It's a medical arts building, guys. Ang original. And then, dungagan ng condo sa taas. Yeah. Rexall Drugstore. Grabe itong babae eh. Asyano, marang Pilipina, guys. Paho kayo. Marijuana. Lagi, grabe kayo ganina. Sundan, manggod na to.
Mamatay, ibalian niya.
Ako, kanaday mo pasabot.
Kuan lang po.
Tabok siya, te. Tabok na ta.
Kuwat lang po.
Mauday ni tabok nitong kulukoy.
Can't remember now.
Ha?
Melody? Are we parked over there?
No, Metcalf.
On Metcalf, on the street?
Nahan pa din minute park.
Next year.
Guys, old houses, eat noodles, noodle house. This is the church, Teo. St. Peter's and Paul, Anglican. It's the Anglican Church. Guys, Anglican Church, guys.
Yung ila yung gigitan ba para di makasud ang mga amoy balay.
Ay, oo.
Kabasig daw mga hang-out
Tama.
sa mga hagdanan.
Tama.
Lingkod
Guys did this, and they sell drinks in like a bar,
bar yan.
and the stage is up there. See how they did it? It's just like an outdoor park.
Yeah. So, it's not done yet.
No.
It's a project,
Yeah.
it's a bar.
Ottawa Public Library.
Nahag-iro.
Dali ka.
Latest net.
Public Library, Teo.
That's not down the road,
Yeah. No, not that.
right?
We were on the right, I think. Oh yeah, the parking, yeah.
So we have cross across,
Left side of
then
it,
left side.
and on the right.
Yeah.
So we have to wait again. Kasi ang manoy eh. So ang huli ko.
Ay, ikaw, wala ba kay
Ah,
card? Ayaw sa...
no, let's go.
You sang about health card?
Yeah.
I told him he has to be careful.
Health card, yeah.
He doesn't have to follow you because you cross even if it's not.
Nako. Hmm?
Ako kamuti.
Gigarden. Naging nasapat ang kamote, guys. Dari ang kamote, nakapat na.
No.
No? Kamote. Kamote. Gabriel. Pero sa Gabriel, si Gabriela Downtown Dental Clinic. Wow.
See that arrow? Maybe we should follow. Yeah.
Wow. It seems.
That's what I remember. We went straight down to Parliament.
On the left, the next light.
And then we came back. It's one way.
5, 4, 2, 1, 0. And here we go. Starbucks.
Toxic love.
Toxic love daw. Shamir Dara. Init kayo, guys. Na-stress sa hapon. Init. Shoppers Drug Mart. Pupo do. May wala na yung mga snatcher dito, no? Wala.
Wala.
Yun lang. Kana po din cellphone na lang. O man na ilan.
Kanang inig kagabi eh.
Hmm.
Ngamingaw ka na, murag ilugon, pero kung hinahin na sa tao.
Dili. What? Bilak ng ero. Start. Ay. Ang kapoy ng ka. 3:10 p.m. here in Ottawa. Pangita na mo ang parking. So, medyo init.
That spot on the right. You see it? All the cars up?
Tayo makasugat yung mga ante ko.
Look at these guys walking in.
Nanawa ang mga cosplayer.
Okay.
Yeah. Cosplayer. Ihubo niya yung mas buwang naman diya eh. Hindi na ako mapatan nun.
Buwang di eh.
Medyo may edad na.
Nasusle party.
Siguro. Yang grandma. Binako siya nagkuhan. Hindi yung grandma. Iba na niya yung grandma. Lah, sure. Dali tayo paspas eh. Nalabok ni guys. Kani among guide jud oh. Murag taga Pilipinas. Sate, ay. Tanom. Yeah.
2, 3, all Quebec.
Yeah. Ah, we went there.
4.
We went there a while ago. We went to Quebec a while ago. Oh. Here it is. Here's our parking, guys. So we are here now. Magazine. Tour magazine from Quebec. Yeah. Where's our car? Where's our car? Malingaw lang ko guys, kaya tumig Quebec. Wala niyo ba siya ate? Kami lang ni Kaloy. All of a sudden, abot ng Quebec, French-speaking people. Ano kasabot? Okay. Happened to the car. Ah, ito na. Ana. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Comic-Con, yeah.
It's at the Delta Hotel, right?
Yeah.
Comic-Con. Yapil si Ian, anite? Comic-Con.
Looks like they're all dressed as squirrels and wolves.
Hello, auntie. Kumusta? Asa mo ron at nilaag na mo ito?
Bitaw.
Old houses.
Mga
Toronto ba? Mga old houses dito sa likod. Kung ginaagan nila mama. Yeah.
Oo, old houses dyan, oh. Oster.
Naglakaw-lakaw sila pa outside sa among apartment pero mo dito sa likod ba?
Yung ano yun. Wow. Huwag niya ako makita sa mga movies ako lang ng mga balay. Yung ano yun. Flora Leon. Area sector begins Bible. Kanilang mga atop ba, di yun pwede sa toa ba? Sa kainit, murag makuhaan dyan na siya, mulukot.
Oh, nice.
Oh, correct.
Oh, really nice.
God, uy.
Oh, beautiful.
Very new.
Just happened.
Yeah, just happened. My God.
My God, he got hit hard.
It's correct.
Let us pass before it.
Well, we're gonna go around. We're gonna go right.
Right?
Bagay ni ron na, my God.
Di man na asong bagay diri
It just happened. My God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This one, right?
Yeah, he's pretty sure.
Ay. Oh, ni nakabangga, guys.
Kaniya nakabangga?
Oh,
Siya nakabangga?
yeah.
Sa atong gamay? Iman, kaya ang atubangan na atong gamay ang lumping. So that means
Ang bagamay ang nibangga.
ang gamay ang nakabangga.
Yeah. My goodness.
It's such a little car too, eh?
Yeah.
Can't get him
So the
small.
little car head on to the T-bone the other guy, right?
I think so. Well, the other guy ran the light, right?
Ah.
And he was going through a green light. Could be that too.
Papa John.
One of them ran the red light.
How are you, John?
Yan, murag na ay ni
A lot of people hit these signs, I know.
Yeah, nanami sa bridge. There's a lake, guys. There's a lake.
oh, na nagkano.
Nice.
This is a nice road.
Yeah, indeed.
Looks like fairly new.
It says Airport Parkway.
Is it?
It says Airport Parkway.
Airport Parkway
We came.
Oh, I thought it's not.
University and Sunnyside.
University.
Columbia. Whoa, it's a university, guys. There's a lot of students up there, guys. Oh?
There it is.
Carleton.
Carleton University.
Carleton University.
I heard about it. Some people go to that.
Carleton
So very nice
University.
in Ottawa, Carleton. Anong asman si Janice?
You guys. Cementerio. Grabe, naghana na gilubong nila. Ay, taas kayo.
Si Benny po there yung iba tama plane po niya from here. Go po ang Vegas. Niya man to man daw.
Camp Peter Hill.